Hello, and welcome back to my crypto channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the new Drip Drop Draw game that is about to launch. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on any of my video updates. This channel is not just about me. It's about creating a supportive community where we can all connect, share ideas, and learn from one another. Drip Drop Draw is a brand new raffle system game built on top of the Drip ecosystem, offering different price tiers to players. It also incentivizes new capital to come in and buy Drip. Players can earn thousands of dollars while still keeping 75% of their investment. All the prizes you win are paid out in Drip and deposited directly into your Drip Faucet. It's all about the thrill of purchasing tickets and the excitement of being randomly selected as a winner through a decentralized and verifiable system. Forex has just added a new change to the game which will make it even more sustainable. There will be a 27,000 Drip limit to the payout price, which equals a max wallet. Players will help lock Drip in the faucet, reduce minting and deflate circulating simply by participating. But what sets Drip Drop Draw apart from the rest is its groundbreaking revenue distribution model. A whopping 99% of the generated income will go straight into the Drip Faucet tax vault. It's like hitting a jackpot while contributing to the community. You can enter the game by either depositing your Drip, BUSD, or BNB, or you can go all in and voluntarily sacrifice your tokens. The Drip Drop Draw ticket cost is pegged to just 1 BUSD, and to encourage fresh capital injections, bonus tickets are given to those who enter directly with BUSD or BNB. The highest number of bonus tickets is awarded to those who sacrifice their entries. Every day, there will be 6 raffle rounds, with 6 sets of winners. For every raffle, there will be 1 winner, 4 runners-up, 1 prize for biggest depositor and 1 prize for the biggest sacrificer. Each round's jackpot will be made from 14% of earnings from deposits, 24% of earnings from sacrifices, and 10% of the previous round's earnings rolled over. 1% of all earnings from Drip Drop Draw will go towards a Drip marketing budget. Unlike the Animal Farm, Drip has never had a marketing budget, and with the built-in Drip sacrifice, we could finally see regular reduction of the total Drip supply, which would be absolutely huge for the ecosystem. Drip Drop Draw promises excitement and rewards flowing like never before, and it will have a serious impact on the price of Drip. If you want to dive in and win a maxed-out Drip wallet, you can use my referral link below in the description. Just a quick reminder that I am not a financial advisor, so don't take this as financial advice. Crypto is extremely volatile, so always do your own research, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. Until next time, and remember to stay safe and keep chasing your dreams. See you in the next video, and have a wonderful day.